what good? Magsabi nga kayo sa akin, in the decades, tens and tens of years na nagkakaroon ng Senate investigation in aid of legislation, House of Representatives investigation in aid of legislation, meron bang magandang nangyari dyan? Wala. Panahon pa ni Miriam Santiago, patay na si Miriam Santiago, sinasabi niya yung Senate inquiry in aid of legislation, yung House of Representatives in aid of legislation, walang nangyayaring maganda dyan. We are talking about corruption, people's lives being lost. Tapos iniisip nyo, yung puon nyo, si VP Sara, maging presidente sa 2028. We are talking about the present. Tapos pamumulitika ang gusto nyong gawin. Nagsasakripisyo yung tao, hindi iniisip yung politika. Tapos kayo, politika yung iniisip nyo.